Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do What's New Wednesday, featuring some new planners. So let's get into it. So this first package is from MLG and Co. I did place an order from some of the ready to ship items. If you didn't know, they do have ready to ship items, and they are at lower prices than custom orders, of course. So I always kind of lurk there to see what's being added, and I found something that I wanted. So here we go. And I'm opening from the bottom because my address and stuff. So, okay. So some of this I did not order, but let's see what we got. Oh, let's get the one that I did order first, because I was talking to Anna over at MLG and Co about some things that I wanted. But let's see. Look at that color. Oof, it's so pretty. Look at it. This is the raspberry, I believe, is the name of the color. The leather is soft. So this is one with the markings from the hide. I think that was why it was in the ready to ship. It has this front pocket here with their card. Let me make sure I'm in frame. And what color is the elastic? I think it's black or brown. I think it's brown. Okay, so this is a sleeve, or I'm not sure what you call it, a sleeve for an A5 notebook. So we're going to test that out in just a moment. Let's see what else we got here. So I think these are both B6. Eee, I didn't know that I was getting these. Okay, so this is, I don't remember the name of the color, but it is a red, a deep red that I wanted to use for Christmas and after Thanksgiving. Yeah, to wrap up the end of the year. So this is a sleeve that should fit a B6 Stalogy. Where is my planner? So I'm thinking after Halloween, I'll move into this. It looks about the same size. Yeah. I really don't want to take all of this out. Do I have another Stalogy close by? I'll tell you what, when I am ready to set this up, I'll show you, or I'll share how it fits in here. I'm sure to fit because the cover that I have on the Stalogy now is also from MLG and Co. And this is a very deep, rich red, like a vampire red. So that is that. And I think this is like a grayish elastic on it. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, yes. Here we go with the raspberry jacket or sleeve. I don't know what you call it, the sleeve or jacket. And this is it. Oh, it's so nice. This is a very soft, flexible leather. It's very soft. I'm tempted to switch now. Should we switch now? So there we go. This is the raspberry A5, and I kind of like this. And then this is for Christmas. I have these three A5-ish notebooks. This is a Leuchtturm. Is that how you pronounce it? I know I looked it up before. I just don't remember. And did I ever even write in this? Yeah, I tried to bullet journal, and that lasted once in 2018. It's like I get that bug around this time every year. And then, did I stick these pages together? I think I did, and that's some lousy glue that I used. So, okay, anywho, let's see if this will fit in here. And that's like the perfect color for it, even though it has that elastic on the back. I don't think it's meant for big notebooks like this, but we'll see if it will go. It's going to be a tight fit. Plus it has this pocket on the back too, but it does. And I could probably put the front cover in as well, but I'm not going to do it on camera. But yeah, that fits in there great, and it's not too tight. So I know, let's take it out. I need to use this. I thought I had more in it than just that one spread. Okay, so then this one is one of the Exceed notebooks from Walmart. And let's see, I think there's a little more in here. Yeah, I was trying to journal, but it wasn't going very well. And I fell off. So let's see how this one fits in here. I'm pretty sure this one is too small to go in here. The height is the same, but it's a narrower width. I don't know if I can get that all the way in there because of this elastic. That's really tight. Okay, so it will fit, but it's a little too small for it. It's not really the right size because it's not a true A5. Okay, so that one fits. This one is the one that I would really worry about because this is much thicker. It's more heavy duty. This one is from Smart Planner, and it's dot grid, and it's awesome quality paper. I did review this a while ago. I still haven't decided how I want to use it yet, but let's see if it fits in here. I don't know. This is the back pocket on this one. Look at that. It's really nice. Let's see if I can put this in here without ripping the book or the cover. I might leave this one in here. If I get it in here, I think this is the one I'm going to leave in here. I think that one fits the best actually because it is a little wider. I don't know if I could get that front in the cover or not. I'm not sure that I would want to. Does this lay flat? Yeah. The paper in this Smart Planner dot grid notebook is so nice that I would use this for drawing or maybe with markers, things like that. So I don't know that I want to put it in this cover in case I have any spillage or anything, if I used watercolor or something. I don't know, but I'm not going to keep changing them. So yeah, it fits great. Let's move on. We already know that I will test these at a later date. So that is everything from MLG and Co. I do have a discount code which I will leave in the description box below. This is something that I ordered that I have been kind of watching and waiting and deciding, should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? And I finally did it. So this is from Cardinal Planners. You see right there. If you follow them on Instagram, then you already know the kind of things that they do. They're very different. They have some regular stuff, but then they have a lot of things that are different and not your typical planner stuff. So let me see here. So I've been looking at this and looking at it, trying to decide, do I want that? Am I going to use it? And this is a thank you card. So let's dig in. Let's get it right. Okay, so Cardinal Planners. Okay, let's just open it. You already can see what it is. Ta-da! I've been wanting one of these since I first saw it. They make them in different colors. They make it in black, all black, and I decided to go traditional with the wavy pockets. So this is a pocket here. This is a pocket here in the orange. Then this is a pocket here and here. And then we have 4 elastics. This is B6 size. It's puffy and really cool. This is the back. And yeah, let's see. I really wanted to use it for my Stalogy, but I got a feeling that it wouldn't fit in this the way I would want it to. I would probably have to put it on the elastics, and I know I said I didn't want to take this out, but let's just do it. Let's take it out. And I know also that I was talking about not continuing in the Stalogy, but I think I'm going to stick it out and try to finish the year out in it. And I just took it out of the sleeve. Oh well. Let's put it back in there. Okay. Let's put this aside for now. And let's see. I got a feeling right off the bat that this won't fit. I'm going to start from the front just to see. Will that go in there? Yeah, no, it won't. As I suspected. So what I would probably end up doing is putting it on the elastics. Let's see, would that even work? I think this is just too bulky for this. I mean, it could work. It sticks out too much though. If it wasn't already full, it could probably work better. What do y'all think? Should I use it like this or just put a B6 notebook in here and go for it? I'm also thinking it might be time for a new Stalogy. And if I had a new one, it would probably fit in here. So I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Either way, I will be doing my Halloween style things in here, or trying to. That was the goal. So I don't know that I'll do micros. I don't know. So that is everything for this What's New Wednesday. My new planners, traveler's notebooks, jackets, covers, however you want to look at it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.